When it comes to enhancing your home in Redmond, one of the most impactful improvements you can make is window replacement. Whether you're dealing with old, drafty windows or simply want to upgrade for better energy efficiency, new windows can make a noticeable difference in your home's comfort, appearance, and energy performance. While window replacement can seem like a daunting project, understanding the process and what to expect can help ensure a smooth and successful experience. In this article, we'll walk you through the key steps of window replacement in Redmond, from the initial consultation to the final inspection. Initial consultation and assessment. The first step in the window replacement process is scheduling a consultation with a professional window installer. During this visit, the installer will assess your current windows and discuss your needs and goals for the replacement. Window evaluation. The installer will inspect the condition of your existing windows, identifying any issues such as drafts, water leakage, or difficulty opening and closing them. They will also measure the windows to ensure the new ones will fit perfectly into your home's window openings. Design and material selection. This is also the time to discuss your preferences for window style, material, and energy efficiency features. Whether you're looking for double-hung, casement, or sliding windows, the installer will help you choose the best options for your home's architectural style and your personal preferences. Materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or wood are all available, each offering different advantages in terms of durability, maintenance, and insulation. Budget discussion. The installer will also provide you with a cost estimate, considering the number of windows being replaced, the type of windows selected, and any additional features such as energy-efficient coatings or custom designs. Window selection and ordering. Once you've chosen the type of windows and materials that suit your needs, the next step is to place the order. The windows will be custom made to fit your specific measurements. Keep in mind that the manufacturing and shipping process may take a few weeks, depending on the size and complexity of the order. During this time, the installer will work with you to schedule the best installation date and ensure that all the necessary materials are on hand for the job. Preparing your home for installation. Before the installation day, there are a few things you can do to prepare your home. Clear the area around the windows. Move any furniture, curtains, or decorations away from the windows that will be replaced. This will give the installers clear access to the area and prevent any damage to your belongings. Outdoor preparation. If the installation involves replacing exterior windows, you may need to move any obstacles such as garden furniture or outdoor decorations that could get in the way. Safety precautions. It's a good idea to keep pets and small children away from the work area for safety reasons. The installers will be using ladders and heavy equipment, so it's best to give them ample space to work. Window installation process. On the day of the installation, the professional team will arrive at your home and begin the process. Window installation typically takes a few hours per window, depending on the size of the window and the complexity of the job. Here's what to expect. Removal of old windows. The first step is to carefully remove your old windows. The installers will remove the trim, caulking, and seals around the windows, being careful not to damage the surrounding wall or structure. Preparing the opening. Once the old windows are removed, the installer will inspect the window frame for any issues, such as rotting wood or water damage. If the frame is damaged, the installer will repair or replace it before installing the new window. Fitting the new windows. The new windows will be placed into the prepared opening, and the installer will make sure they fit snugly and securely. The window is then leveled and squared to ensure smooth operation. Sealing and insulation. To ensure energy efficiency, the installer will seal the gaps around the window with weather stripping and insulation foam to prevent drafts. Proper sealing also helps with soundproofing and moisture resistance. Finishing touches. Once the windows are securely installed, the installer will reinstall any interior trim and exterior flashing around the window. The trim will be carefully fitted to give the window a clean, finished look. Final inspection and cleanup. After the windows are installed, the installer will conduct a final inspection to ensure everything is functioning correctly. They will check that the windows open and close smoothly, the seals are intact, and there are no gaps around the frame. The installers will also clean up the work area, removing any debris, old window parts, and packaging. You should be left with clean, fully functional windows and a spotless home. Post-installation maintenance and care. Once the installation is complete, the installer will provide you with guidelines for window maintenance. Proper care will help extend the lifespan of your windows and ensure that they continue to perform optimally. Cleaning. The installer will recommend cleaning techniques and the appropriate cleaning solutions for your window material. Avoid using abrasive cleaners that can scratch the surface. Sealing. Over time, the seals around your windows may wear down. Be sure to inspect your windows regularly and reseal any gaps if needed to maintain energy efficiency. Routine checks. The installer may also suggest periodic checks to ensure that the windows are still functioning correctly, including checking for drafts, inspecting the seals, and cleaning the hardware. Conclusion. Window replacement in Redmond is an excellent investment that can improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal. The process, while straightforward, involves careful planning, selection, and installation to ensure that your new windows provide maximum performance and value. By understanding what to expect, from the initial consultation to the final inspection, you can ensure that your window replacement project runs smoothly and that you enjoy the benefits of your new windows for many years to come.